This video tutorial I will explain what is a resource. So what is resource? Resource is nothing but any information that you can name can be a resource. For example, document can be a resource. Weather in New York can be a resource like temperature, humidity, etc. And representation of real object can be a resource. And a collection of resources, which is nothing but list of other resources. And the kind of resources you will typically encounter are representation of objects. For example, representation of person like person name, person age, email address, salary information, etc. And representation of purchase order like order details, product name, product price, seller information, etc. And grades of a student like the mark detail. Suppose I am going to start a pizza center and I want to create the APIs so that the customer can order in the online. So what are the different resources I have to consider in order to create the API? And here you can see the different resources. The first one is menu. Menu is nothing but list of different pizzas which customer can see and order. And the second resource is pizza. The pizza itself has different characteristics like size, crust, name of the pizza, etc. And topping is one of the resource. And sauce is one of the resource. Customer is one of the resource like customer name, customer age, etc. And customer address is one of the resource. And the customer whose orders the pizza. So order is one of the resource. Order has order ID and a list of pizzas which customer has ordered and price of the particular order. And payment also one of the resource. Using resource identifiers, we can able to find the resources. And resources are identified by their URLs. Here you can see the example. When you send a request to this API endpoint, we will get a list of orders for all the customers. When you send a request to this API endpoint, we will get one order detail whose order ID is 93246. And when you send request to this API endpoint, we will get a list of orders which is belongs to the customer ID 82762. And in this URL, HTTP is the protocol and example.com is the domain name and remaining part is the endpoint. When you send request to /orders endpoint with get method, then we will get all the orders from all the customers. And when you send request to /orders endpoint with the post method, then it creates the new order. When you send request to this endpoint with the get method, then it returns single order whose order ID is 93246. And when you send request to this endpoint with the delete method, then it cancels the order. The order ID is 93246. When you send request to this endpoint with the get method, then it get all the orders for the customer whose ID is 82762. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.